unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Indicators of a bad transmission include slipping gears, where the car unexpectedly shifts during driving, delayed engagement, noticeable when switching from park to drive, and fluid leaks, characterized by red fluid on your driveway. Also, grinding or shaking during gear changes, unusual noises such as whining or clunking when in neutral, and a burning smell are telltale signs. Finally, a check engine light can also indicate transmission issues, necessitating a professional diagnostic.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.